salam, and denachu, any, denani. Yo guys, welcome back in today. And today we're going to be learning 1 through 10 in Amharic, which is one of the Ethiopian languages. There's over 80 Ethiopian languages, but this is the official language for Ethiopia, right? So we're going to be learning 1 through 10. And I know a lot of people that might be watching from Ethiopia might obviously already know this because they grew up there, but there's millions of people around the world that want to learn, that might be going to Ethiopia to travel, or maybe even some people that might not even know how to just say it in general, right? Or maybe they want to brush up onto it. So we're going to be talking about 1 through 10. This is your traveler's guide to Ethiopia. When some of y'all go to Addis or Gander, at least you'll know how to say 1 through 10, right? So the first one is number 1, which is going to be and. And. Let's say it one more time. And. And. That is number 1. Number 2 is going to be hulet. 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 Say it one more time. Hulet. Hulet. That is number 2. I think we're getting somewhere here, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Number 3. We're learning. We're like little children right now. We're learning. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is sost. Sost. And if you're speaking English, it's almost like saying sauce, sauced, but you say sost. So number 3 is sost. 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 Right, guys? So sometimes you can think about words that you know in your own language, and then once you something sounds like that, then you can sort of kind of like learn better. At least that's what I do in a lot of languages that I learn. So let's head to the next one. So number 4 is arat. 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 One more time. Arat. That's a pretty hard one, even for me, right? That's number 4. Let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is I missed. I missed. I missed. I missed. Sort of like saying like I in English and then missed. I missed. I missed. That one, I like that one actually. That one, I like that. Number 5, I missed. I missed cars. So number 6 is sadist. 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 That's 6. We have 6 of something. Sadist. Number 6 is sadist. So number 7, I think you guys are going to like this one. This one is fun to say. I think it is very fun to say. Number 7 is sabat. 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 That is number 7. I think we should go ahead and move on to number 8. This is winding to the last part, right? So we're going to get to the last part, these last 2. And I hope you guys are following me. Please like and subscribe too as well. If you like this video, go down there and like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification too as well. We're going to go to number 8. Number 8 is cement. 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 That's number 8. It's just like in English, like, you know, concrete, like cement. 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 That is number 8. And we're going to move on to the next one. But that reminds me, because I think I've heard that before, to be honest with you. I've heard somebody say that. Wonder what they was talking about. And so as we wrap it up, number 9 is zeteng. 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 That is number 9. Let's get to the last one, right, guys? Let's get to the last one. We're learning 1 through 10 today. And you guys are going to know this. I need you to know this. Especially when you're talking to kids, this will be a good selling point for a little Ethiopian kid. You'll probably make them laugh. Let's go to 10. And the last one that is number 10 is asr. 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 Yo, guys, that's 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right there. You have an Amharic. And if you're ever in Ethiopia, or if you just want to talk to some of your Ethiopian friends, then now you know how to say the numbers, right? And I know sometimes people mix like different languages together. So even if you don't know Amharic 100%, like at least you can mix that in with your English, you know, it will give them a good laugh, and also it will teach you and push you to learn more, as well as them teaching you too. Please like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification down there so you get all my videos. Add me on all social medias, which is Afric Network. And yo guys, until next time, peace to Ethiopia. One love.